Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Kyodi featuring Markus, or Markus featuring Kyodi, whichever one you want to put it. With a diss track called Sting Stage for Demarco. So it's a Demarco diss track for Sting Stage. Alright? So this one, we're gonna jump in the one on here with the GSA, and I'm surprised to see Markus' name in a one song, Markus' name in a one title. But I guess it's valid because Demarco has been styling him. Time sang them. Demarco has been styling him in a few of the song them. And we see Demarco go in on the Buju flow as well. Let's jump to that and hear the GSA. Let's go!
Fully mob.
Fully mob.
Yeah, me I say, Mr. Leng. I see if boy now come and sting from my boss in face.
Do it now!
Nah, no gunshot for fucking waste.
So he must say, yo, so he must address Mr. Leng. Mr. Leng, big up yourself. Mr. Leng, if no boy now come and sting from your boss in face, push him. You know what if you do? You know what if you do? Guess what more you do? I'm a gunshot for waste, so I'm not nothing for do. Whoa! Let's go.
For my boss in face. Nah, no gunshot for fucking waste. Markus, chop him now. Flood out the fucking place. Murder.
You think a pussy or war with dreams say you this me a dead in I morning brawling.
How Markus that? Oh no, Demarco, where you there?
Chop him now. Flood out the fucking place. Murder.
You think a pussy or war with dreams say you this me a dead in I morning brawling. Catch him quick a killing and me calling. Race out the clip, no shot, no passing.
You think a PUSS wire worried Marco? Man say him catch you now, you're dead in them.
You think a pussy or war with dreams say you this me a dead in I morning brawling. Catch him quick a killing and me calling. Race out the clip, no shot, no passing. Everything I latch up in a you, splash up your marrow. Pussy and a arrow me a bust.
Everything I latch up in your pussy. Splash out your marrow and a arrow me a boss. Markus, you're not just a producer. You're not just a beat maker. Let me take off my glasses. You are a bad artist. You're a bad artist, Markus. Hi.
Morning brawling, catch him quick a killing and me calling. Race out the clip, no shot, no passing. Everything I latch up in a you, splash up your marrow. Pussy and a arrow me a bust. From me a juvie, me evil and a me nuss. Kick and box it up, you coulda big like hippopotamus.
Kick and box it up, you coulda big like hippopotamus.
From me a
You know, we all have one of those words that we can't say, right? Hippopotamus. You know, we all have one word that we can't say, right? This is my word. Hippo to bombo clot. Hippo.
Everything I latch up in a you, splash up your marrow. Pussy and a arrow me a bust. From me a juvie, me evil and a me nuss. Kick and box it up, you coulda big like hippopotamus.
Yo, to bombo clot. Hippo. Yo, I'm done to bombo clot. Hippo. Alright, let me try repeat the Markus say. Come here, go get that ready right today.
Everything I latch up in a you, splash up your marrow. Pussy and a arrow me a bust. From me a juvie, me evil and a me nuss. Kick and box it up, you coulda big like hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. But that's not how it's pronounced, but him say it how you there. Hippopotamus. Yeah, we have it. We have it. Let's go.
From me a juvie, me evil and a me nuss. Kick and box it up, you coulda big like hippopotamus.
Oi!
Campaign for your ghost and no poison get my vote. But a rifle with a scope and a chick for bust your throat. Me alone who do the murder.
Grimy.
Evil and a me nuss. Kick and box it up, you coulda big like hippopotamus. From me a juvie, me evil and a me nuss. Kick and box it up, you coulda big like hippopotamus. Campaign for your ghost and no poison get my vote. But a rifle with a scope and a chick for bust your throat. Me alone who do the murder. Me no need no support.
Him alone do the murder. Markus, I tell you, Demarco, Markus tell us him alone he murder you. He don't need no support. Him alone will do the dirt.
And beat up your mouth, every teeth a come out. Me know you're not bad, all your girls say you're afraid of needle.
You're not bad, all your girls say you're afraid of needle. Marco, you're not bad enough, Marco. That's what them say, not me.
Me know you're not bad, all your girls say you're afraid of needle. Demarco, me know you're coward. Red Hills Road, not afraid of people. Anyway, me bout them up, make me shut them up.
Yo, the boss I go direct. The boss direct more than enough of them big artists where you say enough of them artists here. Them man come in, know you're not bad. The man I call him name. Boom. Shots direct too.
Anyway, me bout them up, make me shut them up. The cheap clackers spit me a fire and I burn them up. The real war start and the pussy them around your fuck.
The real war start and the pussy them around your fuck. Them a run foot in hand, fast like 10 but no.
The real war start and the pussy them around your fuck.
Yo, Markus bad. Markus bad, guys. Markus bad. Markus bad. Markus bad.
The real war start and the pussy them around your fuck.
Running.
Lift the bumbo clock, gun them up. No obedience, no manners. Me a pray.
Lift the bumbo clock, gun them up. No obedience, no manners. Me nah no.
Lift the bumbo clock, gun them up. No obedience, no manners. Me a pray them counteract them think a weak fence over ya.
Me a pre them counteract them think a weak fence over ya. Because me quiet. Because me a the Gargamel son. Because me a Buju son on the face. A weak fence over ya. Pussy me run up. Me a my one man. I want to know. All a shot ya. Know yourself. Know yourself.
Them up. No obedience, no manners. Me a pray them counteract them think a weak fence over ya. Lean up your wig, get a shot. Post the murder palm, snap you, get the picture, it no crap.
After the man shoot you, the man a post it pan him snap. The man a snap it. Brawling.
Lean up your wig, get a shot. Post the murder palm, snap you, get the picture, it no crap. Me even see him cataract. Put the beam pan a Glock. Could a deal, man a drop.
We even see him cataract. You know when you have cataract, you can't see go there, you can't see none at all. We even see him cataract.
Lean up your wig, get a shot. Post the murder palm, snap you, get the picture, it no crap. Me even see him cataract. Put the beam pan a Glock. Could a deal, man a drop. You coulda go under your mother frock.
You coulda deal, wanna drop. You coulda deal. You coulda go under your mama frock.
Put the beam pan a Glock. Coulda deal, man a drop. You coulda go under your mother frock. A lot of prove a pint in a chatterbox. 100 lane. Anyway, my boat them up, make me shut them up. Big yard. The cheap clackers spit me a fire and I burn them up. Cause of a piece. The real war start and the pussy them around your fuck. Lift the bumbo clock, gun them up. Anyway, my boat them up, shut them up. West Kingston. The cheap clackers spit me a fire and I burn them up. Alien, pussy I come and call up my name in a song. Sting stage. Coward. Boy, you want 6 million.
But this recent. Come and call up my name in a song. Sting stage. Pussy. Pussy. Hold that one day. Yeah. Sting stage man I'm want hold upon. That the man was said the Marco. Not me. Yo. It's a Demarco and no, it's a Kyodi and Markus. But a Markus alone na this. A Markus alone na this. Me not hear Kyodi. He bad though. He bad. He bad. Markus, you bad. Yo, this bad. Me can't bias. As a producer, if you do this, big up yourself, Markus. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, my G. Big up yourself. Did I miss Kyodi spot or something? Because me not hear Kyodi night, brother. Kyodi not there in the song. So why them label it Kyodi and Markus? And it's on Kyodi Viva page as well. I don't understand the part there. I don't understand that. Alien Mab. I understand what I want to say. Anyway, Demarco, you need to answer now. I know you're going to answer Marco still. Hey! War is in the air. Tell them free prepare. Anyway, shut up fire. Guys, this is what I'm going to do. If you enjoyed that one and want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new, and I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.